Welcome to the third episode of Watercolor with Subbudu. And today I have chosen to draw S Subbulakshmi, the world renowned late Indian classical Vidushi, and she doesn't need any introduction. It was her 104th birthday, and that's why I have chosen to draw MS Amma.
I took an image from internet and did a pencil drawing based on that. With watercolor, you've got to go with the lightest layer first. If any part of your painting is supposed to have a very light color, like a highlight, that mostly will have only one layer. The shadows and midtones will be added by painting more and more layers. I wet the area with just water and then used a light wash of burnt sienna. Messed up that portion, you can see that. I used scarlet for the sari portion. Took this break from skin so that the first wash gets dried before I can do the shadows, else the paint will spread. The thing to remember is color spreads wherever there is water. If there is no water in a particular area, the color will listen to your brush. So if you want your painting to be controlled, you wait for the first layer to be dried. When you apply shadows and midtones, the painting starts to look three-dimensional. I'm using only burnt sienna here. I used a very light wash of scarlet with a bit of black for the base of the hair. The scarlet became a bit too much, so I had to wipe it out using a tissue paper. Then I started with black for the hairlines, eyebrows, lip lines, eyes, the portion above the eyes, etc. Combined burnt sienna and scarlet for the bindi. Scarlet was used for lips too. Now that's burnt sienna again, a thick coat of it. When you do watercolor, the colors will fade eventually and it won't look like how it was when it was wet. So you have to retouch the shadows when they are dry to get the shade that you want. That's sap green for her beaded necklace. Chrome yellow and yellow ochre for the zari and the remaining ornaments. Ultramarine for the contrast border. Shadows are created using the same color over the existing drawing. Details were made using black and a zero brush. Brush the outside area and then applied a wash of deep green and a bit of ultramarine blue in the top. A mixture of sap green and deep green in the bottom was used. Used correction pen to give the reflection in her iris. That's it. We are done. After it's dried, I use white acrylic paint for my signature. Hope you learned something from this video. Have a good day.